Good evening, gamers. Today, I'm showing you how to sacrifice your TI-30Xa. Just kidding. Unless... Anyway, this video is on using the memory on a TI-30Xa. So, the first thing you'll notice is right here, there's the two buttons, storage, recall, then in the second slots, exchange, and sum. So the first thing you'll want to know how to do is set your memory slots for certain values. So type in the value you want to set your memory slot as. Say I want to set slot 1 as 65. You'll go into storage and then hit 1, 2, or 3 for the slot you want to set it as. Let's say 1. You'll see up there in the corner M1 lights up. That means we have something set in memory slot 1. So the next thing you'll probably want to do is recall whatever you set the memory slot as. So let's say we had 65 before, but we don't want to type that in again. So 59 plus, and then just hit recall, and then the slot, 1, 2, or 3. So 1, and then enter, and boom, you've added them.
Hello, okay, now next part of the video.
I'm gonna keep that. To exchange your currently set memory value for something else, simply type in the new value. Like before it was 65, or right now it's still set as 65. So we're going to type in 68. We want to change it to 68. So second, and then exchange right up there. And then 1. Now we've exchanged it. So now we can type recall 1, and we will get the new value, 68. The final memory operation is sum. For sum, you type in the number that you want to add to your memory value, such as right now it's at 68, so let's say we want to add 2 to make it 70. Then you simply hit second, recall to get to sum, and then 1 to choose memory slot 1. Now, whenever you recall memory slot 1, now it's 70. Told you to be quiet.
ASMR.
Anyway, the last thing that you'll probably want to do is remove one of your memory values. So, like, reset it so it doesn't show up there that something is set as memory 1. So for this, you can just type 0 and then exchange memory value 1 for 0, and then you can see right up there, memory value 1 is gone. Anyways, that was memory on the TI-30Xa. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next Wednesday.